Arthropoda are the largest phylum of the animal kingdom, which includes insects also. Over 2/3 of all named species on the earth are arthropods. You can see these are some of the arthropods. This is the locust, butterfly, scorpion, and prawn. They have organ system level of organization, that is, the body consists of organ systems like respiratory system, digestive system, etc. And they can be divided into two equal halves, which passes through the, if the plane passes through the center, then they can be divided into two equal halves. Both the halves are symmetrical. Body wall is triploblastic, and they contain a true coelom. Body is segmented, and body is covered by chitinous skeleton, and it can be body can be divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. They are segmented, and the name Arthropoda is due to the jointed appendages they contain. This is the locust. See, the leg is jointed. Arthro means jointed, poda means leg. So they have jointed legs, and the respiration are gills. Respiratory organs are gills, book lungs or book gills, or tracheal system, which is found in the cockroach. Circulatory system is of open type, that is, the blood does not flow in vessels like arteries and veins. Sensory organs are antennae and eyes, which can be compound or simple. And excretion takes place through Malpighian tubules, which are the tube-like structures associated with digestive system, and extract nitrogenous waste from the surrounding coelomic fluid and put it in the digestive tract. They are dioecious, that is, male and female are separate, and fertilization is usually internal. And they lay eggs, that is, they are oviparous, and development can be direct or indirect. Example, there are various organisms, mostly insects, which are very important for human beings because they are useful to human beings. Some economically important insects are first apis or honeybee, bombyx or silkworm, lacifer or lac insect, and some act as vectors, that is, they are carrier of disease germs such as Anopheles, Culex, and Aedes mosquito, which carry various microorganisms in them which cause diseases, and gregarious, which acts as pest. They are locusts, which come in swarms, in flocks, and destroy the crop plants in a field. And living fossil is Limulus, which resembles a fossil, but still it is living. So it is known as living fossil or king crab.